What's the difference between a healthcare proxy and a living will? Well, first, folks, the similarities. Both documents are part of a simple estate plan. Both documents have to do with your healthcare, and both documents are only around for as long as you're alive. Now, with respect to your healthcare proxy, this is a legal written document in which you are appointing a healthcare agent to step into your shoes should you go into a state where you can't make your own decisions medically. The agent will then step into your shoes, listen to the prognosis of the doctors, and then authorize treatments for you. Now, should you become better and able to make your own decisions, the agency then goes away, and your decisions will rule at that point. With respect to the living will, this talks about life support, and basically what you do in this document is you appoint an agent. If you go into a state where you're no longer able to make your own decisions and you're on life support, the agent listens to the prognosis, and you're telling the agent, take me off of life support if the prognosis is bleak. Dave Ceruolo, CeruloLaw.com.